Hey, what's up, everybody? How are you doing? This is Bayo Adio, your favorite Nigerian American on YouTube. Thanks for coming to my channel. And today, if you guys know, I'm in Nigeria, and today I came to a construction conference of some sort. It has a lot of people that have like pipes, electric, heavy machinery equipment, sustainable energy things, metal pipe structures, tractors, trailers, a whole bunch of vendors there from like internationally, Saudi Arabia, Dubai, all types of people there. And she told me about this conference. So this is Miss Morenike. She's gonna be our project manager for Green Paradise. She's a quantity surveyor and all of that stuff. So I even love the fact that she's coming to these type of things because, you know, with this project we want to be innovative and do things that are the most current with the most current technology. So thank you so much for sharing this with me, man. So I just wanted to bring her on camera because she introduced me to this.
You're welcome.
So thank you again. I'm very appreciative of you and I'm excited. I'm so excited. They give me a lot of hope. But other than that, guys, I just want to show you guys around so you guys can see what it's like. Let's go check it out. Alright guys, we're in. Let me show you around. There's a lot of vendors, but I'm going to just point different ones out to you guys. As you guys can see, this is a metal company, different types of things here. Let's keep going. So we have some of these people here. How are you doing? That are doing different things. They have samples of some of the projects that they've done. How are you guys doing?
Thank you.
Fantastic. As you guys can see, we have different people with different types of pipes here. A company of them, like Kansu Pipe. Different types of building materials. Suspended ceiling couple. By the way, I've already came in here and walked through, but I just decided I want to give you guys. We also have this Turkish company here, as you guys can see. They have shower fittings, restrooms for commercial space areas. This is cool. Bathroom stalls for commercial areas. Just lots of different ideas. So cool. Let's go check out more. Different types of flooring, marbles, either for countertops or for the floors here as well. We also have an exhibition where there's a little bit of demo of different types of things. But let's go and check out furnitures. Also here. How are you doing? Fantastic. You're very welcome. This is good. Fixtures here. Block projects. I actually came to talk to these guys. They have a factory here in Nigeria, and they are actually producing this almost similar materials like granite and cement and stuff, but they have their own kind of unique chemical that they put in it to make it even stronger. So yeah, they produce this and they'll ship it to a lot of the surrounding areas in Nigeria. I actually talked to them. They also make flooring, as you guys can see. There's flooring types. They have one for paved roads right here. Anyways, I came to chat with them earlier. Let's keep walking. Let's go check out more things. Alright. Ooh, water parks. How are you doing?
Hi, thank you.
This is fantastic. I actually have not seen him, so we're going to chat. How are you doing? My name is Bayo.
Thank you.
Very nice to meet you. I was walking around, I didn't see you earlier, so maybe we chat. So tell me more about your company.
Yes, this company has a 50 years history.
Wow.
Founded 50 years ago, and now this is the biggest in the world as a capacity and as a portfolio.
Wow. Okay.
And we finished more than 4,000 projects.
Water parks?
Yes, 114 countries.
Wow. Amazing.
Yes.
So
Yes.
you guys start from the scratch? From
Yes,
the beginning, all
we
the way
have
to
a land,
completion?
exactly, we have a land, but we don't make civil works. Civil works is the customer site.
Okay.
We are making but all the columns, this GRP, bringing with the motors, pumps, filters, that installed.
Wow, this is cool. You know what I'm thinking? Hey, Mr. Excel, how are you doing? A water park would be amazing in Green Paradise. Okay, can I? So you said you guys don't produce silver?
Not silver, civil works. We don't make
Oh, okay,
civil
no
works.
civil. Okay. So like doing anything.
Yeah,
ground.
digging, no cement casting, and
Okay, but
concrete.
just all the
all other
components.
things that you see
Wow.
above, we do.
This is amazing. You just gave me a wonderful idea.
Yes. What are you doing? I will scan you, and
Yes, absolutely.
of course somebody else should import the goods. The company should import. The buying company should import.
Okay.
And should find, of course, civil works, which will be done here
Okay.
for construction. Then we are coming to install.
Wow, that's cool. And what about the maintenance of it?
Maintenance, we have a maintenance service.
Okay.
It's a base service, and we are sending, if you buy this also service from us,
Okay.
yearly we are sending a team,
Okay.
and they are coming and they are making necessary treatment to price. And if we sell to you also maintenance, the warranty period is going to extend to 5 years.
Oh, fantastic.
Because we will make the maintenance as it should be.
Yes. Wow, this is very, very cool.
But we are giving all advice and consultancy to make how to make the maintenance.
Okay.
Whether you don't buy.
Okay, so you can train local
Yeah.
people to maintain it as well. Thank you so much. I
You're
really
welcome.
appreciate you chatting.
Thank you.
So you'll reach out to me, right?
Yes,
Send
I will send you email with
All
my
right.
contacts.
Perfect.
Don't worry.
Thank you so much. I've already talked to a specific company. I think it's a Chinese company that's moving to Ogun State, actually on Lagos Ibadan Expressway. They actually launch next month, so I'm gonna go visit them. They have some of these big machines like excavators, also some tractors for the farming. So I'm gonna go chat with them. Again, these are where you kind of make these contacts. Before, I'm on Google or asking people, but now you can actually talk to people. So yeah, here. HVAC solutions, which is like, we also have paint because you need paint. Hello, how are you? Good afternoon. How are you? Good afternoon, sir. How are you? Yeah, are you looking for my name? There you go. Okay. Okay, I'm with Light Shine Investments. Yes. We're just looking around, seeing what's here. So I'm assuming this is paint.
Yes.
Okay.
We have premium quality paint for internal wall, external walls, for ceiling. We also do industrial coating, marine coating, protective coating. We do epoxy, road marking.
Epoxy for like the
for
floor,
flooring.
right?
Yes,
Oh,
this is
okay.
epoxy flooring. We do
Ooh.
epoxy flooring. Good afternoon.
I've been exposed to epoxy flooring because we had a project in US that I was working on, and this is what it looks like. It's shiny. It's important for things like basketball courts.
Yes, definitely. You can apply it. Then we also have one plastic wall putty. It's a white cement putty for screening. This is how it's done. It's water resistant, ISO certified, UV protected. This is how it comes in a white cement form. You only mix with water.
So you mix with water and you use it?
Yes. And this is how it will come out from the form.
Oh, can I feel it?
Yes.
Let me feel that. It's waterproof.
Yeah, water resistant. This is just the first place. This is the reason is like because you have to sandpaper it.
Okay.
Yes. This is the second place. So you can just go ahead and put your paint on it.
So what do you use this for?
It's for spreading on the wall.
Okay. For like if you have roads and stuff.
Yes.
Which one works with wood?
With
With wood.
wind. Okay, no, it's not here.
One of these.
We have
Okay. Okay. All right. Thank you, man. All right. We're moving. Yes, of course.
How are you?
Hey, good. How are you doing?
Are you
I'm
an
Bayo.
engineer?
Yeah, no. I'm just a developer.
You're just a developer.
All right. Thank you. Yeah. No problem.
Monte Rosa. Hey,
Yes.
are you doing?
Yeah, all right.
You're Abdullah's friend.
So as you guys can see, if you look behind me, there are people here from all over the world. There's people from Turkish, Saudi Arabia, India, United Arab Emirates, Dubai, China, just different people with different products. Again, as you guys can see, more people with more products. This looks like the picture that goes on those windows. Go for it, Sam.
Yeah, actually, our company, it's a manufacturing company, street
Okay.
building. We supply, we actually design, manufacture and supply street
Oh,
building.
so you guys do all three. So you
Yes.
do the design, the manufacturing, and the supply.
Yes.
What about the installation?
Installation normally done by a contractor.
Okay.
Because contractors are buying from us.
Yes, yes,
We
yes.
are only
Okay.
suppliers.
Okay.
We are subcontractors
Yes.
or suppliers.
Okay, cool.
So, from Nigeria, there are actually 20-25 contractors already buying steel building from us.
That's amazing. Okay.
Mostly from oil companies, Indorama, Solaram, these companies are buying from us.
Yes. Okay. This is amazing.
Yeah, and this, we do wide span, low-rise buildings, these kind of exhibition halls,
Yes.
warehouses,
This is so cool.
factory buildings.
Wow. So I have a main question for you. Why would somebody want to use steel instead of the regular concrete block
You
building?
can build such a long span buildings in concrete.
Okay. All right.
Can you imagine 120 meters concrete building white without any pillars?
Yeah.
No.
Okay. That makes sense.
There's only a solution is steel, or you should go for pre-stressed, pre-stressed concrete. Even that, beyond 40 meters,
It becomes
too expensive. This is the solution.
cool. So you guys can see what this would do if you want to build hospital, distribution centers, factory building, shipping centers, steel mills, refineries, those type of things. Exhibition. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. So I'm looking at your guys' website, info@masera.ae.
Yes.
So essentially, you guys have a list of contractors in Nigeria that someone can contact
Yeah.
and not order through you guys. Is it listed on your website?
It is listed somewhere here.
Okay, perfect. Well, thank you so much. Appreciate it. Thanks for chatting. All right. So there you go. There is so much. I can't even take you guys through everything. So here's what we're gonna do. For now, I'm just gonna give you guys a tour of the place. All right. And then, if you guys have any questions, comment underneath. I enjoy these type of things because I go to it quite a bit. I think it's good for any builders to not get comfortable with the way they're doing things. Always expose yourself to this type of environments to see like what's new, what's a better way of doing things. Are there any new materials? I did scope out something that looks like a generator of some sort. Let's actually go check. So this looks like another high power generator here. I see the capacity here, 30 kVA. Let's go find out. They're now talking to an audience, so I'm gonna hang tight and see what they have. Hello, how are you doing? I'm Bayo. Very nice to meet you. This looks like a beautiful machine. Please tell me more. Tell me as much as you can about this generator that you have here.
Yeah, that's the investment to finance.
Investors invest in all properties in Nigeria. So yeah,
This is a Japanese generator, like 30 kVA.
okay,
One of our products.
Okay.
We have also another product one here.
okay,
A USA brand.
Okay.
We have Cummins well-known also
okay.
generators.
What are the capacities of these generators? Like how many
It can be starting from 10, 20, 30, 40, 60,
houses?
300. For houses mainly for 60 and below.
So 60 houses or one?
You mean this one for how many
Yeah.
houses? Oh, like this is for 1 or 2 houses.
Okay. So here's the main question. Number one question. What is unique about this in comparison to anything
This is
else?
made in Japan, so the finishing, the quality, lifetime is number one.
Okay.
There's no generators.
Okay. So
Fuel consumption,
what is the lifespan of this?
lifetime generator?
This is
You
lifetime?
just do some servicing every time, you keep care of it, lifetime generator.
Wow. Okay. Wow. Okay. Well, that's obviously unique. Because I think generators typically are general. I think they have like 3 to 5
You
years.
can spoil it within 1 month and you can keep it like that. As long as you are doing proper maintenance.
The rental services. Okay. All right. Very cool. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. So are these local available here right now, or you have to bring it to the
Everything available in stock. I give you the card. Yes?
Yes.
You just visit us and
So like, okay, so here's kind of a simple question. So let's just say you have an apartment complex that has like 40 units. Would this be the best application for that?
there are different sizes.
Okay.
This one can good. This is 300 kg.
Oh wow.
John Deere American brand.
Holy crap.
This is USA.
Okay. And that's the picture there,
Exactly.
right?
And there is one live now. You can take video for it in the corner of the whole one.
So, guys, like I was saying, at this point, so the video is not so long. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you guys a highlight of the rest of the place, and then we'll check in again after you guys get the tour of the place. Enjoy. Because I actually have 2 clients. One wants to build a hospital, and one wants to build a movie theater. So I'm just gonna get information from these guys to kind of get. And it looks like these guys have fitted some sort of hospitals there. I see an office space area. So yeah, that looks like a movie theater of some sort. Very nice to meet you. I want to just make sure you have my contact, or I have your contact. But mainly, I do have one question. Are you guys just supplying the furniture, or you guys actually build?
We supply furniture and design.
Okay, you guys design it.
I make this building to show who's big building.
Okay.
For example, this hospital, 3,500 beds capacity.
Okay.
We supply furniture and office furniture and medical furniture. All furniture we supply for the installation.
Okay.
Hotel, hospital, school, municipality building, conference chair, conference room, cinema, all building we supply.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, guys, so if you guys are watching the video, they do the design and then they supply the furniture and then you kind of take it from there. Thank you so much. Like Shine Investments. Like Shine Investments. do you think? I hope that you guys enjoyed the tour. I hope that you guys enjoyed the interaction and engagements with people. One thing that was fascinating to me is a lot of the international companies that was at this venue. So we have companies from the UK, Dubai, Turkey, Morocco, China, Qatar, India, Nigeria, a lot of companies from a lot of different places that came to showcase their products to sell. If that's one thing that tells you guys is that there's opportunity in Nigeria. Because all of these guys are bringing in there's furniture people there, there's piping people, there's heavy machinery equipment, there's all types of stuff. I was able to make a few contacts that I needed, but my construction manager that was here was also able to kind of see different pieces of what we're doing. This type of event is good because you get to see what's like trending, the good ideas in construction, the innovative things that people are coming up with, and this is how you can expand your mind to like what other people are doing. So I like the fact that it's here because then maybe you don't have to travel abroad to get exposure. People are actually coming into Nigeria. But there was a lot of people here. I met architects, engineers, developers, a lot of local people here that are taking advantage of this opportunity. And they made this event free, which is fantastic. Now, lastly, guys, I want to use this as an opportunity to remind you all of the Green Paradise project that we're working on. It's a project in Nigeria, in Ogun State, which is like an hour outside of Lagos, for people that enjoy a nature-inspired living environment. So this project, we're going to have a commercial district, a residential district, and a lot of outdoor recreational areas. So we're still selling plots for a very short period of time. Literally, we're probably going to sell for like maybe the next month, and we're closing it down, and we're actually not going to sell land for a long time. We're bringing investors in. So do you have an opportunity to actually key in on this project right now? You used to be able to buy later, but at a higher price. Maybe we're not even selling land anymore. Maybe we're selling house. So you have a unique opportunity to tap into this project at its infancy stage. So if you're interested, I will put instructions in the description below. It lets you know how much the land is, what you need to do to purchase the land. You can also visit thegreenparadise.com. Thegreenparadise.com to get a visual of what the vision is like and much more details. And lastly, guys, remember, it's your time to rise and let your light shine. Peace.